GS हर्बल होलसेल आयुर्वेदिक अद्वियात का काबिल एतमाद मरकज। तिजारत के ख्वाहिशमंद हजरात को हम मुकम्मल ट्रेनिंग देते हैं। हमारे साथ तिजारत करके भरपूर पैसा कमाएं। उलमा इकराम, हुफ्फाज, डॉक्टर्स और मेडिकल वालों के लिए खुसूसी रियायत। तफसीलात के लिए अभी राब्ता करें।
तहफ्फुज़-ए-दीन का कारवां रवा दवा रवा दवा रवा दवा रवा दवा रवा दवा। तहफ्फुज़-ए-दीन का कारवां रवा दवा। उलमा का साथ दो, आओ सब के सब यहाँ। उलमा का साथ दो, आओ सब के सब यहाँ।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहि रब्बिल आलमीन वस्सलातु वस्सलामु अला सय्यिदिल अंबिया'i वल मुरसलीन मुहम्मदिन व आलिहि व अस्हाबिहि अजमाइन व मन तबिअहुम बि इहसानिन इला यौमिद्दीन। अम्मा बाद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। हाज़ा खल्क़ुल्लाहि फ़अरूनी माज़ा खलक़ल्लज़ीना मिन दुनिहि। सदक़ल्लाहुल अज़ीम। फर्शे ज़मीं से अर्शे बरी तक, फर्शे ज़मीं से अर्शे बरी तक तेरे ही जलवे, तेरे ही साए। हर एक जर्रा तेरा ही मजहर, हर एक जर्रा तेरा ही मजहर। अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर। जर्रे को चाहे खुर्शीद कर दे, सिहरा को चाहे गुलजार कर दे। सब एक कतरा तू है समंदर, सब एक कतरा तू है समंदर। अल्लाहु अकबर, अल्लाहु अकबर। Mr. President, audience and attendees, the Holy Quran raises question and the style is very good. 𝗕𝗂𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀. Allah Almighty says, "Oh my servant, tell me one thing, have you become yourself?" This question has been raised by the Holy Quran when we wanted to find the answer to this question. We got answer from the Quran itself. Allah Almighty says, هل أتى على الإنسان حين من الدهر لم يكن شيئا مذكورا. O man of faith, when I tell me your story, then nothing. There was nothing. أولم يرى الذين كفروا أن السماوات والأرض كانتا رتقا. Allah was, Allah is before, Allah is now, Allah is still, Allah is future, Allah is past, Allah is last, Allah is visible, Allah is inside, Allah is eternal, Allah is honor, Allah is angry, Allah is merciful, Allah is more loving than 70 mothers, Allah is forgiving and merciful, Allah is forgiving. Allah is free from His initiative, which Allah is free from His end. Allah is pure from His origin. Allah does not need a beginning to be the first. Allah is the ultimate in His end, lonely everything in the universe has a beginning and end, and there is only one Allah who has no beginning and no end, which is the first but it's first, and is known which is the end, but there is no final end, which is present but not set in place. He exists but is timeless. He exists but is directionless. He exists but is formless. He exists but is devoid of body. He exists but he does not need views and children, need the universe. He does not need earth and heaven. He does not need humans. He does not need Jibril and Mikael. He does not need Israel and Israel. He does not need east and west. He does not need north and south. There is no need for the throne and the floor. The Lohe Mahfuz is for him not record. Gentlemen, Allah is the God who is present but not sighted, which exists but has not stood up, which is present but not know the right side, which is present but not know the left side, which is present but not know blues. One who exists but does not drink, which exists but does not be afraid of lone lines. Darkness is equal to like day and night are equal. Earth and sky are equal. Throne and chair are equal. King of water, king of winds and water are equal. Space and mounts. King of men gains. The king is the king of silver, the king of forms, the king of colors, forms and more. King of the deciding rain, king of habits the universe and the birds filling in the ocean. The king of king, blossoming, shrubs and fragrance, poured out in the drops. Master of the English soup, the honor of eating the snack bill, and the creator of thousand and product will eat. The honor and creator of turning fish silver into amber. The honor and creator of making honey by putting a drop of water in the mouth of honey. The honor and creator of silkworms. The honor and creator of to the dare and mix. It's the prophet of musk. The honor and creator of the beautiful mango from the mango tree. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين. صدق الله العظيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.